morning, everyone. Today is 4th of April 2024. It is around 9:05 a.m. in the morning. Okay, let's start our analysis together. All right, so let's start with the news that we have for today and tomorrow. Okay, tonight basically we only have an unemployment claim, which is the weekly items, right? And tomorrow we, as you already know, we have a the NFP data that will be coming out. So this is the main event of the every first Friday of the month, right? So it's going to be important as well. And of course, we will be having a live trade tomorrow around 8 plus to 8:30 onward. Okay, so we have a live trade as usual. And last month, the live trade was it was a good one, and it was a winner, right? So let's see whether we can pull it off this time also or not. Okay, so I'm sure you know the drill. Okay, let's start with the British pound together. All right, so British pound, same thing. Left side CFD, right side future. All right, so what is happening to CFD? Okay, just to now a little bit getting messier a little bit, but so just bear with me for a while. So what happened to the British pound? We have a very good rise on the British pound yesterday. All right, so when we look at the volume on the right side, hang on, let me do the drawing. When we look at the volume on the right side, you see that yesterday the volumes are pretty high. All right, the rest of yesterday volumes are pretty high, and the price action are also pretty high. So I would say the price action, the moving to the up, is being supported where is obvious now. I think market will likely to go to this test area, in my opinion. This where I draw my line here. This is the rounded area, which is around 1.27. Price action is strong. Yesterday, the volume is also quite strong. And look at the retail trader. Okay, retail traders are minus 62. So that means as the market go up higher, they will keep on adding short, right? So now they're minus 62. Let's say it keep on going up higher again, they will become minus 70, minus 72, minus 75, minus 80, this kind of stuff. So the point here is that if the prices to go up higher, they have a lot of room for them to go up higher. Okay, previously, why they were going down and why they did the reversal, because like you can see, they were too extreme, right? They are already plus 83. So it's like it's all the way from normal positive to plus 83. So that's why they are too extreme. Now we are reversal. I think market will likely to drift a little bit higher. Okay, will it go up higher or not? We need to look at the other components such as market composition. But for the time being, I think market can likely to go to retest here, in my opinion. So I will be saying that for the immediate term, I will be slightly bullish. I think we're likely to hit the 1.27 area. Okay. All right. So this is the price action that indicating, and also from our retail trader point of view, I think they have a lot of room for them to short at the moment. So you know what the retail trader does, right? They will normally go against the trend. So the more they go up, the more they will short. So currently they are minus 62, right? So they have a lot of room for them to add their short position. Okay, so I will be bullish on this. I think we're likely to go up higher. So will be the same as well. I think the whole war is understand about the inflation right now, right? So I think this is what is happening. Same thing. Left side is CFD, right side is our future chart, yeah. And you can see here the volumes are not so bad actually, right? I mean, not they're so high, but not so bad. You can see that for the past 2 days, the volumes are pretty decently high. You can compare. I mean, you have to look in a bit of detail, right? Market go down, the volumes are only inside one candle. The rest of the volumes are quite nominal here. But you see, for the past 2 days, the volumes are rather bigger, in my opinion. So I would say I think market will likely to drift to the higher side as well. I think we'll go for this to this congested level, in my opinion. Maybe it's 1.094, 1.095 region. I think this is highly possible. All right, so it's same thing. Price session is also bullish, so I will be stand on the bullish side for now. I mean, if you're the short position, take your profit, all right, or take close it for now. I think market will likely to go to here, in my opinion. All right. So if you want to short as what we were originally thought, so you wait around here. Let's see how the price session behave from there. No hurry to short at all. Okay. So I think this is what is happening. So 1.094. All right. 1.094 is highly possible. All right. Then another one is Aussie. So if you notice, right, almost all of them, almost all of them are coming up from the, if you see, almost all of them are coming up from the sort of like extreme negative, right? Extreme positive. Then now they are moving to extreme negative, right? So the market was here, all right. So the price is dropped for sure at the time, and retail traders are so super long, right? So they are plus 85. So because of two extreme, the market moved back, and now they are now going into the negative region already. Now they are minus 89. So I will be careful a little bit on Aussie. I think since the price action stay quite bullish, I think the market will likely to drift to 0.66 level. All right, so I will be slightly bullish on Aussie here. Okay, I'm not as strong as the previous two because you look at the retail number. Retail numbers are plus 89, which is rather huge, right? So if there's any reversal, Aussie will be the very likely the first one to reverse. Okay. Okay, another one is our New Zealand. New Zealand, we have a long position. And well, I have to say, is surviving still. All right, New Zealand is a very interesting condition right now. Okay, let me show you. New Zealand is a very condition right now. You can see here, New Zealand, they were pretty super duper extreme, right? You see, as the market go lower, retail trader keep on adding long position, right? They were from plus 60, plus 70, reach to the point until they become plus 90. So this is where our warning was. I was telling like, hey guys, need to be careful. They were too extreme. Market can reverse, right? So in it turned out to be true. Now they are reversing and they are reducing their position really. So from plus 90, now they are plus 50. So they drop almost 37-ish percentage. But nonetheless, they are nowhere negative yet, right? Can you see that? They are nowhere negative yet. So I think they have a little bit, at least more room to grow, in my opinion. So this is what I see. And from the volume point of view, there was a decent volume coming in as well. All right, so there was a one volume here, and along the way, the pullback, no volume. So I think market will likely to retest to this congested level, in my opinion. So it's like a 0.605 is highly possible. Okay, so New Zealand is surprisingly is bullish. All right, number one is the percentage wise is still got more room to go, and price action is there. So I think it's surprisingly bullish. I think we're likely to retest to here, in my opinion, somewhere around 0.605. We have a long position. I mean, of course, we will gladly hold our position. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it's go. All right. Okay. Okay, New Zealand after that is gold, gentlemen. Gold is going up. Okay, let's see whether will it go up higher again or not. All right. So gold is what is happening to gold. You can easily see what are the retail traders are doing. Retail traders are only minus 64, right? If you watch our our Sunday webinar, all right, we also mentioned that gold, the small market composition, yeah, small trader, right? They are nowhere in the buy side yet. So that's why we were saying that market likely to go up a lot higher because small traders are not in the market yet. So I think they will continue to go up higher, very likely, in my opinion. All right. Do not short. Okay. Do not short. I think every short will be short-lived. All right. You can see here, you can see now, right? The retail traders are only minus 64. So they can go up some more minus 70, go up some more minus 75, go up some more minus 80, you know? So we are nowhere extreme in terms of retail traders. So I would say it is likely to go up higher, in my opinion. So either you buy or you wait and buy, but don't sell. Okay? Don't sell short, I mean. All right. So it's also bullish. This is as for our analysis yesterday, this is our recommended on the buy side. So it was it was a profitable trade, right? We were recommending it was to buy in this guy. Okay, then another one, silver. Silver should be the same. You see, silver, what the retail traders are doing? Retail traders are only minus 70 only, right? So they were likely to go up higher. And from minus 70, they will become minus 75. They will become minus 80. And then we should be a little bit careful. I think we still got a bit more room for them to go up to. Remember yesterday at one point, yesterday if you watch our video, I think we recorded around the same time, yesterday morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. You see, it was a like kind of like a pin bar going on right now that time. I told them that don't take that candle seriously because that candle was only 2 or 3 hours old, right? We haven't seen the whole 24 hours yet. So you see what happened? When the 24 hours come, the whole candle is a full bullish candle. So that's the reason why do not take the developing candle so seriously, which is for now is this guy. All right. So we stay this guy is only like how many hours? 1 hour or 2 hours old only. So we have 22 minimum hours to go to. All right. So I would say it's continue to be likely to be bullish. All right. Don't short at the moment. They are only minus 17. They have a lot of room they can go up to minus 72, 75, 80, 80, 82, 85, this kind of stuff. Okay. So gold and silver, I will continue to be on the bullish side, and I will recommend this will be my 2 recommended pair for today as well. Okay. So gold and silver is really a star of the show right now. Okay, Canadian, we'll see what is happening to Canadian. Okay, Canadian, you can see that. Hang on now. Canadian, you can see that the retail traders are minus 57. So that means if the price go down lower, right? If the price go down lower, they can do anything. They can happen anything, right? Because they are only nothing really so extreme at this moment. Okay, so hang on now. Must choose the CME so that it will give you the better idea. All right, Canadian is yesterday move was kind of like a Canadian is bullish, right? Canadian is bullish, and price action is not bad, and volume is not bad. So Canadian were likely to go up higher, and it can make the Canadian go down lower first. Sorry, Canadian to go up higher. Canadian to go up higher. So it can make the US dollar Canadian to go down lower. All right. So I think it will come to here, like very likely this so-called support level 1.348. So basically next 30 to 40 points down is 30 to 40 pips down is very possible. All right. So it's slightly bearish, I would say. If you notice already, we yesterday was indeed a whipsaw Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, they do one thing, and Wednesday, reverse. Okay, so another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, what is happening to this fella? Okay, US dollar CHF is we have a very strong on the right side Swiss franc, by the way. We have a very strong price action yesterday. You see almost canceling the whole thing. So it showed the market is, at least for now, is being sort of like negated the whole down move. So it will likely to go up a little bit. All right, let's see how it's go. If the Swiss franc go up higher, I mean US dollar Swiss franc likely to go lower. You can see the retail traders are so super duper negative. That's why what we can say is it was extremely, the reversal is around the corner. So I think market will likely to drift to this side in my opinion. Okay, so it's definitely not a good time to long. All right, for US dollar CHF, you see the retail traders are so super duper short. So market will likely to go lower a little bit higher. Go lower a little bit more. 0.895 possible. All right, so okay, let's go to US dollar JPY. I would say it's pretty much neutral per se. All right, you can see the market is really going to the sideways horizontal line. All right, you can see here. Okay, look at the price action of yesterday. You see the JPY, it go down, but there's some pin bar so-called supporting it. So this is a potential point of I would say the volumes are coming back in to push the price from falling. So if this guy going up higher, I mean the JPY go up higher, it means US dollar JPY can go down lower. And moreover, look at the retail traders. I think they are all pointing to further downward for the time being, in my opinion. So I will be slightly on the bearish tone. Okay, let's see. Hang on. you can see here. I'm gonna let's see whether I can show like this. You see the previous high was around 1.15, 1.8. You see, look at the yesterday candle. It's a 158.9, 151.9, you know. So there is a bit of minor stop hunting going on already. Okay. So to me, this is likely the very strong double top kind of condition going on right now. Okay. So we can try US dollar JPY on the short side if you want to. All right. So this is a little bit sign is there. Okay, hang on. I want to see one more thing on them. Okay, let's say Euro JPY. Because British pound JPY we have closed it already, so I don't really like to look at it at the moment since we have closed it out. See whether I got any. Okay, so what is happening right now is that even though they're the same JPY pair, all right, we got UJ, we got EJ, we got example AJ, right? So because of these guys are kind of bullish right now, then you can see they are kind of bullish at the moment. So instead of we choose them, we choose UJ on the short side might be the better word here in my opinion. All right. Just keep in mind, shorting JPY can be quite costly, right? Because sometimes, you know, we have this swap lah, all those things. So if it is a swap is quite big on your broker, don't trade lah. All right. So, but anyway, this will be our KIB for today. I will be quite looking for a slightly bearish setup at this moment. Okay. So we have two recommendation and one KIB now. The recommendation gold, silver, and KIV is US dollar JPY. All right. Okay, I have cover major forex pair already. Looks like, you know, we have indeed a whipsaw Wednesday, right? Everything go one direction before Wednesday. After Wednesday, it reverse, right? So apparently, due to the inflation scared, right, kind of like US dollar is making a bit of weakness going on. So for example, I just want to show you. For example, like this guy. All right. We were expecting market to down, but we are expecting market to be here, then like down, right? So what will I do is that instead of adding long position, I will just wait patiently for it. Okay. And if let's say this weekend over, let it over. Then I will reevaluate the information over the weekend. Of course, using our market composition, all this kind of stuff. Then I will check. Okay. Because if our weekly is planned this way, I will wait. All right, no point, no point on them, no point going against it. So either wait or no trade at all actually. All right, so only got two recommendation: gold, silver, and US dollar JPY short. Okay, US dollar JPY short is a KIV because we have to respect our weekly plan. All right. Okay, another one is US market. Okay, US market yesterday was kind of like sideways per se because I think the market really like not sure what to do. I would say it is kind of expected as well because we are already at this congested zone. So I will be neutral or slightly bearish rather. All right, just leave it as it is. Nothing really going on right now. Okay, so neutral or slightly bearish. No comment on this fella. No trade also. Another one is Honky. Honky, we were kind of bullish. I think market will eventually go up higher. You can look at my arrow direction. And I would say it is stay kind of on track in my opinion. Yesterday, we have a bit of pullback down, but at the same time, there are some of pin bar coming in. So I think market will eventually go up higher in my opinion. All right, stay on the long side a little bit, but we don't add position because price action is not supporting yet. So I will be neutral or slightly bullish at the moment. Okay, no adding anything long or anything like that. All right. Another one is DEX. Okay, DEX basically is just like similar to Dow Jones. Is pretty much sideways. All right. A bit of bullish candle, but pretty much sideways, nothing significant. So I will just leave it as it is. All right. So I think they are fighting in a way as well. You can see we have a very strong down move with a very strong volume. And yesterday we also have a decent so-called swing back with a kind of like price action. So what what I think is happening right now is the market is really bounced in this range. So support and resistance. So see who win to whichever direction first. Okay, so I expect market to go down actually. All right, so let's see how it's go. All right, so I will be neutral at the moment. Right, I don't add any short for now. Okay, another one is crude oil. Crude oil is our weekly plan long. That means we are saying that crude oil shall go up higher. Right, it is turned out to be true. Crude oil is really doing well. All right, so let's see. Okay, we have a decent volume yesterday as well. I think market will likely to drift higher in my opinion. Yesterday we have a kind of like a doji candle. Okay, doji candle. But you can see the volumes are stay pretty strong on the high side. You can see volumes are pretty stay strong. So I would say it's a market will sooner or later they will resume their long. They will resume their sort of like what you call it, that long condition in my opinion. I think they will go to this range, which is around $87 here. All right, so it's bullish, gentlemen. All right, $87, $88. So it's bullish. Do not short on crude oil. Okay, so I repeat, looks like all the commodities are doing okay. All right, gold, silver, crude oil also should come up. Okay, let's take a look on our grain position. Well, grains are really like, wow, really tickling, up, down, up, down. All right, so I think grain will likely to follow suit as well. So if you ask me, instead of even gold and silver, I would say grain is even better, right? Because gold and silvers are two already so high up already. So I think grains might be the hidden gem. They have a lot of catch up to do. So I think the grains are going to go up higher as well. All right, you can see my arrow direction. Look at the yesterday candle and price action. There are some bullish case, and the volumes are not bad. I think market will likely to go to 576, 580 region in my opinion. So this is also a bullish case scenario, also KIV, just like yesterday. All right, we are standing on the bullish side of it. All right, okay, let's take a look on the soybean. Left side is CFD, right side is future. All right, soybean also not bad. We are seeing some price action. Remember what we mentioned yesterday? Anybody remember? Okay, yesterday video we mentioned that in our inner circle video, we mentioned that this candle yesterday was very bearish, right? Yesterday price action was, at one time there was very red color, right? We were telling that, okay, very likely we may end up with a bullish candle. If it does, this will become a pin bar, right? Because it was down, so you see, it really turned out to be correct. So I think market have already kind of turned the corner already. So I think the market will likely to drift higher to the upside already. Of course, will it go all the way up or not? But this is very and easily and highly possible. 1195, gentlemen. All right. So we have soybean position, by the way. So well, let's try to sit tight. All right. Let's try to sit tight and let's try to sit tight and try to make money out of it. Okay, by the end of the video, I will mention about one thing. This is something very relevant to our trading. Okay. Okay, so that one later. So soybean done, wheat done. Okay, corn. All right, corn. Corn is the same thing, gentlemen. Right? You can see. You can see here, corn is the same thing. Right? I think market is going to go up higher in my opinion. All right, you can see that was a very high volume. All right, then okay, there was no push on it. All right, so market pullback, but they are now coming back up again. We can be only super duper bullish if the corn take out the previous high again. I don't really like the fact that yesterday there was a few days that there was a high volume, but there's no follow-up price action. So I will say we will wait, all right. But corn, I think market have to break this level first. 444 level strongly first. Okay, so corn, the rest two fella is bullish, but corn is, I would say, is slightly bullish only. Okay, there's a bit of too playful already, which I don't like. Okay, so okay, so just to have a quick recap, I have two recommendation, which is gold and silver on the long side, and I have four KIV. One is the US dollar JPY on the short. Another one is this three of them. Okay. All right. So put it this way. So these are the one. Let's continue with the Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin, we have a few days back, we have a very, very big sell down. And now they are kind of recovering a little bit. Hang on. Let me explain why are they recovering as well. Okay, for that, we have to look at our market cap, right? You can see we have a very big drop on the last 2 days ago. Then you see after that, they have been really climbing back up. So unless the market really go below this level, all right, I think we may have some bullish or some pullback in making, in my opinion. So what we need to watch out is that in order for the market to plunge downward again, we need this guy to go and break this level first, which is not yet happening. So instead of adding short, I will be monitoring closely. I need this guy to really break this level, lower than this level, to confirm or to reconfirm the downtrend. So I will be neutral for now. I think market will likely to retest 67K for now, in my opinion. So Bitcoin is pretty much just a range condition. All right. And for the longer time frame analysis, I will wait for this weekend, market composition, this kind of stuff to decide later. All right. So now I'm neutral. Okay. So one of the reasons that Bitcoin they are not continue to go down, because I show you already, you know where to look out for. Okay. So this is the one. We need, in order for the Bitcoin to go lower again, we need this one to break down. Okay. All right. So which is not happening yet. All right. Let's take a look on the next gas. Next gas. Okay. Yesterday we have a good run up. Then they kind of like pull back a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Right side, future. Left side is our CFD. Okay, you can see here. All right, yesterday we have a bit of pullback here and there, but you see the volumes are pretty much stay quite high, in my opinion. Nothing is really dropping. So that means this whole move got some participation in it. So I don't think market will go back below 1.7. You can see this lower is now 1.7, right? I don't think so. Market will continue to go up higher sooner or later, in my opinion. So do not take this yesterday candle price session so seriously. The trend is likely to go up higher. I think the next level that they can go is around here, which is this guy, 1.92. All right. So I repeat, we are stay pretty much on the bullish side. I think the next level that it can go up to is 1.92, in my opinion. So price action is only not really favorable. So I will be slightly bullish on next gas. Okay. So just have a quick recap, gentlemen. We have tonight we have only the unemployment claim. So pretty much not much new we can say the whole day. All right. Only the market will start to pick up on nighttime. And of course, it will be followed by unemployment rate. Of course, tomorrow is going to be a game changer. Whether will it continue or not, or this kind of thing, we have to see. Let's say the unemployment is good. Let's say they are 275, right? Sorry, non-farm payroll data is good. They are 275. They are expecting somewhere very low, 212, So if let's say it's anything above 215, example, 250, or even better than 275, I think the market will likely to fly up to the higher. Why? Because if the data is good, it will so-called give a signal to Federal Reserve that economy is good, and this economy is good, so they were likely to do whatever they want to do, like they want to cut or whatever they want to do it. All right, so let's see how it goes. That's my idea only. Okay, that's my quick idea. I would like to so-called redigest on it, but anyway, this might be the case. So to conclude, Friday will be the game changer, and today I think will be just a follow-up day, in my opinion. So for example, like follow-up day mean, like for example, like yesterday go up mean today will be likely to go up as well, in my opinion. All right, so today is nothing much. The only time that it will move is only on the what time? Is today what time? Today 8:30 p.m. Singapore time. Okay. So I have a few recommendations. Stay on the long side of the gold and silver. And Okay, for recommendation for KIV, I have a US dollar JPY on the short, and I have a wheat to the buy side. I have a swipe to the buy side. Okay, corn I will not be KIV at this moment. Corn I like just now I already mentioned already, I don't like the price action and the very high volume that it showed up a few days back. Something not really in line. So I will take out the corn. So I repeat, we have two recommendation. First recommendation gold, second recommendation is silver, and we have three KIV. First one is US dollar JPY short, and wheat long and soybean long. Okay, so these are the one, gentlemen. All right, so these are the one. Just to mention, just now I was mentioning that I want to mention one on the end of the session come, right. There's one gentleman that I like to listen to. He's also a very good trader from US. He mentioned that, you know, uh, there's a trader that we need to, there's a thing that a trader need to understand. All right. Actually, time is a trader friend. Okay, what does it mean is that you need time to make your trade play out. Okay, that means like like for example, like just to let you know, like a Tesla, for example, Nvidia, this kind of stuff. So what he was trying to say is that, like, for example, like Nvidia, for example, just to show you with a picture rather than just talking alone. Okay, so this daily chart. So weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. You see, to catch the whole trend, to catch the whole trend, actually a trader need to sit and really hold the position for almost more than 1 year. There's a time the market is really doing really nothing much, but there's a time the market really go parabolic also. So to conclude, time is your friend. Mean when your trade is doing well in your favor, try not to rush to take it out. Okay, try not to, because sometimes you are making certain money, you just want to take money ready. So you always have to think that way, that what if this amount become bigger? Okay, so I think the money is only the last product that we should be sort of like, I will not say we should be caring about, but we should be so observing about. All right, so trade your proper setup well, proper analysis well, then you try your best to hold until to the time that the setup is no longer valid actually. Okay. Okay, so I would say the time is your friend. Okay, so our job is to sit tight when the market is really going in our favor. Okay, we add position, at least we don't close. All right, so number one, time is your friend. Number two, timing is not your friend. Okay, I think that a lot of trader, especially the technical trader that we are, right, fail because we are trying to get the timing, like even though before the market go up, like 15 minutes time frame, just about to go up, you want to buy. Just about to go down, you want to sell. Okay, there's a bad news for you. There is no such thing as you will get very low or very high all the time. You can get it sometime. All right. We get it lucky. You can get the today you buy, the next day really go up all the way up already. The day you buy is the bottom of it. Or the day you sell, the next day onward is all the way sell down already. The day you sell is the top. You may have it once in a while, but it will not happen all the time. So timing is not something that we should be focusing too much on. So to conclude, get your setup, get your timing right. Get your structure right. That means market is going up. Try your best to do the timing. Don't focus too much on that. Okay. All right. Because if you time it, you buy, market go down. You thought that market is going down. You sell, the market go back again. So in that, eventually after 1 week later, the whole, let's say for example, just give you an example. You buy something, all right. Let's say this Monday, you buy something, market go down, then I'm wrong. The market go down, you hit your stop loss, you sell, then after that you go up. Then by Friday, Monday is here, Friday is here. So end up you will notice that, might as well I just stay on the buy side in the first place, right? You are right after all. But you see, in this position, you are out already, because you sell, you buy, you lose, you sell, you lose also. So end of the day, the whole week is nothing but the up move. right? The whole week was nothing but up move, but because of this swing in the middle, you got stop out. So this is how the trader lose money in the market. All right. So the point here is that first of all, get your direction or get your structure of the market right. I mean, market is likely to go up or not. You do all your analysis, fundamental, whatever. Okay. Then try to hold to that idea at least for a certain period of time. Don't go and buy and sell just on that. Okay. All right. Just don't go and sell just on the this information alone. All right. You have to have a structure right. Then you do the timing. Timing, do your best. Don't focus too much on it. Okay. I hope I get it right. Okay. And yeah, I hope I made you understand as well. Guys, thank you very much.